Ayos maganda rin yung graphics. Kaya lang yun nga, naka-design tong mga PS2 games for CRT monitors, kaya hindi mo masyadong feel yung ano yung way ng pagkagawa ng ano, lalo na pagka high definition monitor mo, medyo pixelated yung lumalabas. First time ko itong laruin, so let's give it a shot. Saan ang aking
They are the world's greatest heroes. Zatanna,
si Zatanna,
mistress of magic. John Jones, the shape-shifting Martian manhunter.
Okay.
Green Lantern, galactic law enforcement officer.
Ito, Extras, GLA Cinematics, Smallville trailer. Tingnan natin ito, Smallville.
The Superman legend begins.
Kilala niyo to?
Called Smallville.
Ayun na. Lalaki ko, pero nakakabaklay kapugian itong lalaki to. Ayan, sila na lang. Crush ko yan, si Kristen Kirk.
Betrayal.
What do you want? The world, Mrs. Kent.
Yan, crush ko yan nun Si Lana lang.
Now you can own every action-packed episode.
Sobrang gwapo ng lalaki to.
Plus never before seen bonus features.
Ayan, si Lana.
Smallville. Own seasons 1 through 5 on DVD.
Okay. Ano naman to? Nasa extra tayo, guys. Okay.
The complete first season for the first time ever on DVD.
Justice League. Okay. Usap pa yung DVD na, no?
Just got a league of its own.
I will continue to uphold the ideals of truth and
justice.
The greatest superheroes of the world unite.
Okay.
Count me in.
I'll gladly join.
All 26
I gladly
episodes
join.
on 4 discs. Over 9 hours of crime-fighting action with incredible bonus features.
Ilan daw episodes? 9 hours?
First season available on DVD.
Nakita niyo?
Even more superhero
Ilang
action.
disc yun? Ang dami.
The complete first season on DVD. The retirement never again.
Pero iba pa rin talaga yung feeling ng pag nasa DVD compared sa ngayon na USB na lahat. Parang nakakatama ng i-view pagka nakakompress na sa lahat. Nakasave ng space, pero iba talaga yung feel pagka nasa CD Ako opinion ko lang. Yan, lalimaga yan. Naka-disc. Yan, hindi ko yung napapanood nun. Ano kasi reason? Alam ko, wala akong time Oo yata. Every Friday yata yung Batman Beyond. Isa sa mga gustong pinapanood yan nun Start tayo new game.
Flash, the fastest man alive.
Okay.
Amazon Princess of Themyscira.
Themyscira.
Night Detective. Batman.
Hindi ko alam yung pronunciation dati.
The Man of Steel.
Man of Steel, yan.
Together, they are the Justice League. The most powerful force for good on this planet. They have never failed in their ongoing mission to protect the people of Earth. Although, to be fair, they've never faced a threat as dire as this one.
Ouch, ang sakit niyan.
Go ahead.
There's a problem in Metropolis.
I'm busy. Call Superman.
You're closer. I called you.
On my way.
You're closer.
Approaching the coordinates. What am I looking for?
Robots, Batman. Lots and lots of robots.
Based ba to sa isang movie na Justice League?
Asking for any help.
Well, since I'm here anyway.